Hello everyone, welcome to Design First YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to learn a simple login screen design in Figma. So let's start. First, I'm going to select the file, then we will rename it as login screen design. Next, choose artboard frame. I'm using here iPhone 11 Pro X. Now we will use black header from Asset. Asset is what we use in the video. You can download it from the description box. You can find a link there. You just have to click on it and then you can download it. I already have it in my desktop, so I'm just gonna drag and drop it from there. Now we will align the black header into the center, then we will set it upwards. Now select the text tool and write proceed with your, then set the font to Poppins and style to regular and size to 28. Then we will set it. Again select the text tool and write login. Now we will change the size into 38 and style into medium. Now we will set it. Then we need login into a capital word, so we can make it capital from here. These three dots, click on it and then you can see here. Now let's again set it. Next we need vector. Just gonna drag and drop from my desktop. Now align it into the center, set it. Then select the shape tool and create a rectangle of 325 width and 45 height. Then align it in center, change the corner radius into 10 and change the color. Then add a stroke and change the color of stroke. Align it in the middle, then set it properly. Next select the text tool and type email. Set the font into Roboto, style into regular and font size into 15. Now change the text color. Then align the text in the middle of rectangle. Then set it within the rectangle. Now drag and drop the email icon and set it into the rectangle. Now duplicate the rectangle with Ctrl D and set it. Next duplicate text and drag it into the rectangle, the second rectangle. Then rename it into password. Now drag and drop the second icon, which is password icon, and set it in the rectangle. Properly align it. Now again duplicate the rectangle for making the button. Then change the height to 50. Change the rectangle's color into the black. Then duplicate the text and set it into button. Align it properly. Make the font bold. Then change the color into white. Rename it as create account. Align the text properly into the button. Set the button. Then select the text tool and type already have an account. Add a question mark. Then type login. Now set the font style to regular. Then double click and select only login. Go to edit mode option and select the underline tool. Change the text color. Make it lighter. Then align it properly. Now our design is ready. Let's preview it. So like, share and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.